Good day to you. We've got a Western Star 4900 truck here, Detroit DD15. Do a quick walk around for you. In great shape. I believe this one is a 2011. Check the spec sheet to confirm. Beaver tails on the back. Good paint job. Excellent cab. Just don't make them like they used to. And forgive the dog there, he does not come with the truck. I mean, I'd let you take him, my wife wouldn't. Tires in pretty good shape, a couple of them need replacing, but good enough to get you going. This one is in current use, hence some of the mud will be conditioned before sale. A light detail and washing of the truck. New pump. Owner to reinstall flue pipe there. Believe he said there's also a 1 cube water tank on here, which is that blue tank you see right back there. All right, nice side profile here, the passenger side. We'll climb up and over. Cabin needs a bit of a detail, but no major rips or tears. Owner and operator driven since, well, the last 5 years at least. Still some effects back there, but good size sleeper. Great leather. No rips or tears in the headliner to speak of. Handy shelf up top. Oh, looks like we got about 153,971 miles and about 23,495 hours. This truck has seen some use, but it has been maintained and taken care of. Let's get out and take a look at that DD15. Runs no problem. Weeps a little, but nothing recent. No blow-by. Just the vibrating of the engine. That's all she wrote. If you need a good, well taken care of, well sorted, used straight can, this is the one for you. Give us a shout. Logan at Weekenside. That's all she wrote. If you need a good, well taken care of, well sorted, used straight can, this is the one for you. Give us a shout. Logan at Weekenside.